this sunscreen safe to use? Are this cookware safe for me and my family? What about my cleaning products? Which plastic we must avoid? Which deodorant won't harm us? You are trying to be healthy with diet and exercise, but you don't know what's causing your diabetes, your thyroid problems, your weight that you can't lose. And here's what most people don't know. Only 5 to 10% of cancers are genetics. The rest, 90 to 95% environmental. What you are exposed to every single day. Companies don't have to tell you what's in these products, and your doctor isn't checking for this. But these hidden toxins are affecting you and your family right now. That's why I'm hosting a free workshop this month about hidden toxins in your daily life. I'm Dr. Shada, and I'm going to teach you how to minimize daily exposure to hidden toxins, how to check your toxin level, what safe alternative swaps that work, and simple steps to protect your family.